Welcome. If you've been missing important spotlight snaps on Snapchat because your phone stays silent, don't worry, this quick guide will show exactly how to turn on vibration for those notifications. Sometimes Snapchat notifications come through without any vibration, especially for specific categories like spotlight snaps. The good news is you can easily fix that in just a few taps. Let's get straight into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your system-level controls live, including how apps send alerts. Next, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as apps and notifications or something similar. Now, find and tap on Snapchat from the list of installed apps. This will open all the settings specific to Snapchat on your device. Once you're inside the Snapchat app settings, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the different types of alerts Snapchat can send you. Now look for an option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This section lets you control each type of notification individually, which is exactly what we need. Scroll through the list until you find Spotlight Snaps, then tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see several options related to how these notifications behave. Look for the Vibrate option and toggle it on. That's it. From now on, whenever you receive a Spotlight Snap notification, your phone will vibrate so you won't miss it, even if your sound is off. If this helped you, make sure to check your other notification settings too. Customizing them can really improve how you stay updated without getting overwhelmed. Thanks for watching.